Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin'. And as you know, last week we rolled out the new My Recipes view. And we got such a positive response from you guys. Thank you for that, by the way. It's always so nice to hear when you like something. And we're so happy because we love it too. If you look on the left here, you'll see this is the old My Recipes view. And on the right here, we have the new My Recipes view. And people seem to really love it. And we were so thrilled with that feedback that we got busy and we're rolling it out to the Discover view. As you can see on the left here, this is the old Discover view. And it looks great, but we wanted to make some changes to improve it so cooking would feel more modern and fresh and polished and professional while still feeling like the cooking that you know and love. And we didn't want to make some changes merely because something looks cooler. If we're going to change something, we want the end result to make cooking more useful and easier to use. That's why I'm pleased to show you the new Discover view. So on the right-hand side, I'm going to tap the Discover button on the bottom navigation bar. Ta-da! One of the main things you'll notice is that we redesigned the section headings to create a cleaner visual hierarchy. In the old view, as you can see, we have that bold red bar. And it looks good, and it's very cooking-esque. But it's also very distracting. It demands that your eye look at it. So in the new design, we made each section clearly identified without competing with the recipes for your attention. So now, what do you see on the right-hand side? Boom, recipes, right? Food photos, popping off the screen practically. But with these section headers, you can still see each section clearly. There's plenty of white space. It's got a very modern, clean look and feel. We added a See All button on the right-hand side there too. So at any point in time, if you want to see more than the 6 recipes that are here, you can simply tap the See All button. We also added some helpful functionality, like when you begin to scroll, the search bar at the top disappears so that you have more screen real estate to browse food photos and recipes. And if you scroll the other direction, the search bar appears again. The Cookin'Ls got rid of the italic text, as you can see. On the left-hand side, the text is in italics. And on the right-hand side, it's not, which makes it a little easier on the eyes. And there's a very subtle overriding design principle going on here right now, which is we wanted the interface to fade into the background so that the food could take center stage. In fact, that's one of the signs of a really good design. The app itself shouldn't be constantly demanding your attention. It should quietly get out of the way and help you focus on what you came for. And in the Discover view, that means amazing recipes, beautiful food photos, and hopefully a little inspiration for dinner tonight. So open the Discover view, take this new design for a spin, and see what catches your eye. Hey, and don't blame me if you suddenly get hungry. So I'm going to sign off now so you can go get cooking.